Gwani. Ndoche monyi we testa mbiamon nimbaroche yobesh asante. How are you my dear? Ona yobesh na komanyire bono ndoche no ore butambega kamucha kamonta kuna ga utenga Kintale Rosie ngaki kintale tata kintale mondo chimna bege to bwanchani bok era mbege to bwanchani. Happy new year everyone. And then I make a makeup there by the way. Kintale no ninto bwakire n'abatebeti nyombande for the next 13 days. Igorona korete day 1 lero day number 2 bwate 13 days in the quarantine. Abana bane babwate covid. 3 of my boys have covid, the 22-year-old, the 16-year-old and the 9-year-old, and myself, my daughter and my husband, we are negative, lakini notore nyombe yemo. We are trying to isolate. And this morning, kero montombi yabo gete nyasaye otobo Christine Nkoroche togwa kere nyasaye mbiamono na acha iskandara abakwanire taike yemo mwako munya ochakire on Friday inero ya lenge weekend tangan twakora this year tutai togwa kere nyasaye mbiamono asanyaliro gutwekea stwekire bono iga rero gonta itogukwanira igoro ya support t-shirt yembegete gaiga numusibati getokoni t-shirt ichi akoro kulilo no mokamba omosubati oyo egotogokora nere biasara nabwate biasara bibwekaine byane lakini kerabwate arorire gente kia nabakondangerio ntebi. Happy new year Naomi. Yes, pray for my family and I believe that they are going to be fine. Egento ndo chekere iska kyogo kumia sana abantu batayite babeke Nike, abantu batayite babeke cyanga ci Jordan, abantu batayite babeke Calvin Klein, Hilfiger, yani abantu batayite babeke ebinto awo ci designer cyanga ci designer, abantu batayite ba consume the best things out there. Bamenya kurororo liryo egento kya babereire bakwereirwe liri barwalire diriwa bwate mechando mbali kubeka Nike WhatsApp mbali kubeka Calvin Klein WhatsApp mbali kubeka Hilfiger WhatsApp Omoswati buno yokorosi t-shirt ye Chililo Creations t-shirt enengia sana. In fact I love it for $25 nagolite t-shirt and it looks like it's quality. Naro chabantu bakorosi t-shirt iga Ekegusii gose aba Africa ntubwate tendency yogo support yabantu bandi bonse pira kiri ntutaiti go support our own people. Okonyoro monta abwate biasara bya event planning ondetaiti ko mwa biasara kwanyoro monta akoruga ondetaiti ko mwa biasara byokoruga abandi mwomenye goteba binenje tinkoira nk'Ekegusii aba babwate poor quality ngakyora improve quality onya abantu bamino mbago support ebyasara bigale omo lichuma lya Ndizi TV oyonde Sami started again take years sana comedy y'Ekegusii ago chaga igago saba abantu 100,000 likes gesachaka YouTube yae yere 100,000 likes ebolye Sami oyo chi actor chiri n'abana bayino Sami oyo abantu chi photographer n'abana bayino chibi video bali bako edit n'abana bayino ekero mo kwanga no ino mongino tamanyeti YouTube moko eda moro kyo mongina motenga mama Sami onero toligete subscribe to Sami's Ndizi TV na kitole group ye tore 222,000 alafu Sami akoligia Ndizi TV koligi subscribers YouTube nkoera abantu chibese Facebook nkoera abantu chibese bina bono nkongere chibese mbekere chistars yiga Facebook nkoera abantu chibese Instagram nkoera abantu chibese into Ekegusii bali bandi tukusaba emichango Ekegusii mugo kwerera umwato beke emichango moko nyorobo ko umwato rangeri ngakimotali kubeka Nike mubeke Hilfiger mubeke Michael Kors mutaiti kugora chibagi Ekegusii bakorosi mutaiti kugora yanga Ekegusii bakorosi mutaiti kubeka earrings Ekegusii bakorosi na earring echimbegete ne chiataska mutaiti kubeka earring chiataska lakini mugo chake mechango mugo chaka koromeru moko rwara umuntu miri wako banyagitari mwachaga ige forum mwabeke mechango mwataka mobe supported onyo Ekegusii obwate chiangamo akoni nkimoteri ko gorera chianga cha Ekegusii ngakyo kolengera Hilfiger wose Calvin Klein wose Versace wose Polo. How do you think these people became successful? In the beginning there was somebody who was supporting them. Ekero, the more money you make, the better you improve your quality. Kwarari, andu chista isi, onye mondo ochibia. Omaitena wanyole chista isi chichi intubete, mondo ochibia. Mondo ochibia. Maitama uga nara atokora beka ibintu tubosaigo, tora Ekegusii nga kitokoro rekana. So, ngondara. Na mbre nengia. So what I'm saying, lika comment, munkwani, kero mugo cha munkwani. What I'm saying, Hilfiger target it better in one day. Calvin Klein target it better in one day. In fact, ambe aye telingia. Aye, ntage koreka na bia. Chi filter bononko bekaga natigire ntanari gukora ibintu bire mangana maronge nachakire gukora ibintu binde byaho chi filter umuntu akolose track igaboro na lucid track lakini nkoire nanda sinari gukwana nimayita sinatigera ndabike binde wa atiringire video kabisa ibintu nachikokoraga iga tigangire nega. Okay, lika bono chi comment bono ekero Hilfiger chagete gali gutumie fabric yalinge not a good quality ekero Calvin Klein gachagete with poor quality abantu ababon speaker bachagete biasara they started business with low quality bolia Samora abantu abakora Ndizi TV diye abantu begesa ligyandonsi abantu abanyabiasara when they started their business they did not have good quality. The qualities came with time after banyolete support kurwa sabantu bamwabo. mukubuka mwatubeka emichango mukubuka mwatubeka chi WhatsApp group mukubuka kero murwarite mwatolikera nga tokonye mukubuka mutete nga toirira abana school tokolereke lakini kero mbwate chi t-shirt nechi nkobaoneri mutaiti kogora kero mbwate nonyine ebintu bire byasara bire genuine mutaiti kogora mbuye mogende mu muhindi mugule ebintu mujogende mu Chinese yogole ebintu lakini tutaiti kogora bintu kurwa saba gusiba amino Tiambe kubwanchani ke lero mangana nacha kokora na makom yani bintu ebiko chabyago change kwabo monto mwao nasaliri kabisa tiangira ne video ibine wenete kwa nali ndabe serious because this is a very serious topic so ekero tobwate emechando twabeka abantu bali tomanyete nyarebe okwereru ga kinchwe nyarebe orwarire ga kinchwe nyarebe nabwate omwana oire school ga kimo changire nyarebe ga kingina na arwarte mongirere nyagitari nyarebe we are not helping abantu bali tomanyete chianga tokobeka guess chianga tokobeka Calvin Klein emebuko tobwate maikoko omuntu $100 yogoro mubuko maikoko kimbwate mebuko gaga yegi Africa okorangoli na inche boost ebyasara byane ko konyorobo ko I'll be able to help you so this Friday I'm challenging people and the people let me tell you Ekegusii gosabantu mwanya bantu 2021 le meru monto so kyo monto Tiagonya kwa abantu chibese nga just to please them. Bakani nga no nimbwate byasalebi karambuste byasalebi ndole bina bikogenda manya go kwa chibese. Kani abantu kaba motindi ko kana nga timbwa chibese because these people are not supporting you. Onye banta bambali ko support nga ibalengere tukurus chibese obaye. Onye banta bambali ko gora ndagere yawo nga yo kolengere liwa okurus chibese obaye. Inkiwe kora batari kubeka heel figure na ira comment. Inkiwe kora batari kubeka heel figure na Calvin Klein yemechango. Put Calvin Klein. Beka Calvin Klein yemechango yao. Beka Nike yemechango yao. Beka Michael Kors yemechango yao. Beka Coach. We cannot continue Kwanga will support our fellow people, and these fellow people are the ones creating employment, are the ones who can over Kongo Korangelia. Samia I will attend this TV, no ta watch episode. On your YouTube, Gego Chakwa, Sami Chivese, was a more bakery commercial of a more cherry. Bravo 90 Chivese and Rasmul. Why are you not subscribing to Monto or colleague and to Gego Konyavanto in the community? Into Ekegusii Ekegusii ikoyo babwate they understand ikoyo they keep their eye on the price ikoyo they are always focused where the price is into bonangi entege sinini as simple as go subscribe this TV is hard go subscribe come to fulani is hard ko like pennies page ande bono bwate 5,000 Facebook ne bwate chi program ekuru yate banganye ko bwate 500,000 likes we can give you this money. Onye ko wate 200,000 likes, we can give you this money. Inki yako gara penny inche mbwate 5,000 likes. Abantu balega iga wale 200,000. 227,000. A Facebook page yane, you like my page, what is so hard? Follow my page, what is so hard? Not even just me. Abantu balio commenta chi group. Abantu balio commenta se mechango yao. Evolye. How am I supporting these people? Elinde banyale konyora chibese na inche bankonye. Beka Nike, ekero create a WhatsApp group, beka Nike. Ekero create a WhatsApp group, beka Hill Figure. Ekero create a WhatsApp group, beka Michael Kors. Beka chi brand name chidichons pi as chi WhatsApp group chiao. Tutoba sa beka penny because you have not liked my page. Don't put me in your WhatsApp group. Don't put me in your Rambe. Don't call me na wakwero. Kozinga ingo cha chibese, that page is where I want to make money. Nyole chibese nkwa chia matanga. You are not doing any of that. Umenya wantenga mbeko mochango. No. Toko mbeko mochango. So let us support our own. Unaba indi bago kora. Unaba Chinese bago kora. Unaba Songo bago kora. Unaba Puerto Ricans bago kora. Let us support one another. Onyo Ekegusii naro bwate eduka yoko nchilo tari ticket. Gende eduka yo Ekegusii ore ticket. Biasness nero is a way of life igaga. onye ginko ni t-shirt ngoli t-shirt yobeke t-shirt tego cha gokoroma ngatali heel figure ondite yo kobekera max yo kotebe tinga go ikobeke heel figure ondite yo kobekera ta se tinga ngami I go for class. How do you think heel figure got class? And if you have a problem, is heel figure going to come and give money for your rambe? Heel figure is not going to give money for your rambe. Heel figure is going to just make you go in more debt. Chiwe chitoko go changira na choko gende mall bali moko ruga America mwagenda matanga Kenya. Chiwe chitwa go changira na kwa ire chiwe se kurwa abantu abataka intwe kwa gende mall kwa gora chianga ogende uchikoendera matanga Kenya. Kwa goli kwa menta heel figure chiwe se. Lakini t-shirt chiane chia Kenya chibe kire brand Kenya tutaitikogora. Lakini chianga chiane chihudi chia Kenya chichede shiki tutaitikogora. Kwa ganyagwa kweru kwa mbeke group na kwa chibese kwa gora chianga chia Tommy Hilfiger kwa gora Nike Calvin Klein kwa gendanka intubono tuatigaro obotaka ime digerelie history ya America, digerelie history ya slavery. Look at yourself, evaluate yourself. Nga yogo tumia chibese chiao. Are you promoting your sister? Are you promoting your brother? We are asking for people to like and subscribe to our pages. Intu Ekegusii to kwangere ko like or subscribe to people's pages. Inkyo kwangere ko subscribe to my YouTube channel. Inkyo kwangere ko subscribe to Ndizi TV channel. Antivirus, o ababujumo science, migi, abantu abamawas bichi artist each. Intu nichi artist. What is so difficult to go subscribe to our what we are doing? People are egocentric, Ben is saying. But you know what, Ben? I am preaching this message today. Moving forward, we need to support our own. Ekerogo, create a WhatsApp group. Evaluate the WhatsApp group. Look at the people you're putting in WhatsApp group. Ask yourself before tarababeka. Inga kikuwa ba supportiri omwaka oyo 2021. Inga kikuwa ba supportiri babasi bale. Ebolye. Kwa wole t-shirt, inga t-shirt ya nchiri quality. Ya kwenye kogora. The more you buy, egere upgrade again to the next quality. Mna intutoko ni ebitenge mbibwate chi quality, mbibwate grade 1, grade 2, grade 3. Ekero go chake biasara, to go chake ebitenge grade 5 because you cannot afford that. You go chake ebitenge grade 1. Abantu bakogoli oche grade 2, abantu bakogoli ende grade 3, abantu bakogoli ende grade 4. You have to move grades. But now we are not supporting our own fellow Kenyans. We are not supporting our own fellow Ekegusii. Umonto yondizi TV achagete gente ko mwako elire anyole 100,000 likes subscribers. Why? That is our own family member who is starting that thing. When something happens to you, abantu bali get nero kobaka na he has created employment for young people, otherwise who wouldn't have anything to do. So why can't you like his YouTube channel? If YouTube is going to give him money from the likes, that will be a plus to our community. If you like my Facebook page and Facebook picks me and gives me a grant, I'll take that money nyabana chintakana. That will be a plus to Ekegusii. So like my page. I want to see my page to 200,000. Na ando nyotori ko like my page to do not add me ngonya ko inbox ngombe kama tanga. No. Ngairende ko rushibese because that is as artists, this is the way we are making our money. We are not surgeons. We are not doctors. We are not engineers. We are gifted. I'm gifted in what I'm doing right now, and Facebook looks at that as a profession and they want to pay you for that. But they are saying you need X amount of likes. One otagora likes. Otagora subscribing. Otagora ko follow monto. It is free and we are telling you intuchi artist toleska this is what we are looking for. What is so difficult? Again to glorige ko babera nga ya gaki to bwate sie to chamo together we can. So you support my hustle, I support yours. If you are a surgeon and something has happened to you, we will support you. If you are a doctor, something happens to you, we will support you. Whatever profession nyasaya goseseniti yako ete, we will support you. Lakini tiyako kanyekere mechando yako berere kwa mwenye goche platform go saba help, mkwanye go subscribe no nyeko like my page. So how are you going to come to this page and ask for help when this page, the founder of the page, has a Facebook page? Even Facebook recognizes a group yaito is very active. You have never liked my page. Why? Like you go to inbox you want help, but when I'm telling you like my page na li Facebook era atorore eto create a platform to konyane kwanga ko like my page. Why are you not liking my page? Abantu bamenya batanga show us good content. You telling us to show us good content. Ayo manyene you in this platform. We are 220 something thousand. And Facebook recognizes us as a community, a functional community. What other achievements do you want? You're using this page to advertise. You're using this page to connect. You're using this page to get votes. And the founder of the page is who? Is Penina. Penina is asking you, like my page, keeping it up with Penny O. When you like my page, I will be able to get opportunities that Facebook is offering. And when I get these opportunities that Facebook is offering, ingire the proceeds in konya abantu bandi. If I can create employment, because very soon, page yanige kobenene, I'll later almost what you so most actually when I run my page. Because when I'm dreaming big, I won't be running my page very soon. I will pay somebody to run my page. I'd have created employment for one mo usio lege bosongo, na ande na taba bosongo, na abanya mira na abake virigo na abagesima. Umuntu na royo mo bwate skill yo korane Facebook page. Imwaka ne monthly motevi ni mwa $100. $100 is 10K. Abantu mbaro batabwa timero mo pi. Mwa $100 imotevi for $100 manage my page. Because now Facebook we are recognized the page yane as a page that is productive. So how hard is that? Janet, I see you. That is not hard. Like my page. I need to see my page getting to 200,000 so Facebook can recognize me and give me money. So I can create employment for other people. That is not something that is not rocket science, which we call chemistry. No. Liking and following my page is not something that you need to go to school for. You see, and you know what? The Ndizi TV, all these people who have YouTube channels that we enjoy, it is not going to hurt you in any way to like their pages. Affects you is that you are saying the truth. Yeah, people don't like what I say, Walter, but I'm just telling them. I keep insisting. I have blocked everybody on my contacts. When they have a problem and they're adding me on their WhatsApp, I will choose. I will go to my records and choose. I will look for you to see if you liked my page, if you subscribed my page, if you are helping me last time, then I will see if I can join. Because you know what? Injena inkurus chibe esenko kwa. Onya ayekole nurse, onya ayekole doctor, onya ayekole engineer, you are making your money. Kwa nyo reme chando. I can only make money through Facebook. I can only make money through my business. When was the last time you bought earrings from me? When was the last time you bought even beads? When was the thing? I don't have anything you can consume from my shop. I have, but you're not willing to buy from me, but you want to add me in your page. Be very careful, because we are not entering those WhatsApp groups. Now, Facebook made it easy for us on WhatsApp. We have blocked everybody. We will choose who we are going to go to. And if you have not been supporting me, don't add me in the group. You don't want to like my page so Facebook can give me money that is giving other people. But you can like Will Smith's page. But you can like Oprah's page. But you can like Barack Obama's page. Until they add value. They add value, and when something happens to me, you want to put me in your group. Okay. I tell you, Ramakong, think about it. You are not adding Nike. You are not adding you are not adding them. But you want to add me, and yet you can't just buy my t-shirt. Yes, I owe you.